One way to conceptualize the structure of a video game is to use Mechanics, Dynamics, Aesthetics by Robin Hunecke, Mark LeBlanc, and Robert Zubek, a group of researchers and developers trying to formalize how we look at games and how we talk about games. So in their theory, there are three kinds of ways of looking at games: mechanics, dynamics, aesthetics. Mechanics means the particular rules and components that make up the game. So all the data representation, everything that has to do with system design, level design, that kind of stuff, all of that is in the mechanics. Dynamics happens when two or more sets of mechanics interact with each other and create a certain mix. Now aesthetics is what the player Now, dynamics will create aesthetic goals, which are things that the player is going to ultimately see. And one way that we can think about aesthetics is what we feel. What makes us feel the way we do when we play a game? Does it make us feel victorious or powerful or stressed or frustrated? Whatever that is, that's the aesthetic that's being put forth from a game. Now, as players, you only view a game from an aesthetic point of view, while as game designers, you create mechanics in the goal of creating a certain aesthetic. Now, I don't want you to think that we're using the word aesthetic to only mean things that are visually pleasing. So when we're talking about that, we are also talking about the feel, or what we're getting out of what the player is getting out of the game, not necessarily just a visual aspect of that. By using MDA, we can break down games more efficiently and also think about how we're going to approach our games.